fuck the slave catcher in this bitch. Black in this bitch. Like I left something. You hear me? What's good with it though? Right now I'm breaking down this the motherfucking reparations connection. This the way I feel about it. I'm connecting shit. You know what I'm saying? That's why I say it's the connection. It's fuck the slave catcher. You hear me? And what I'm going over is the 14th Amendment. Well, why you going over the 14th Amendment? You heard me? Just listen. Just listen. And if you have an opinion or facts or even a critique, hit me in the comments section. Let me know something. You heard me? The 14th Amendment to the United States Constitution was adopted on July 9th, 1868 as one of the Reconstruction Amendments, often considered one of the most consequential amendments. It addresses citizenship rights and equal protection under the law and was proposed in response to the issues related to former slaves following the American Civil War. The amendment was bitterly contested, particularly by the state of the defeated Confederacy, which were forced to ratify it in order to regain representation in Congress. The amendment, particularly its first section, is one of the most litigated parts of the Constitution, forming the basis for landmark Supreme Court decisions such as Brown versus Board of Education regarding racial segregation, Roe v. Wade regarding abortion, Bush v. Gore regarding the 2000 presidential election, the Obergefell versus Hodges regarding same-sex marriage. The amendment limits the actions of all state and local officials, and also those acting on behalf of such officials. Now, see, that was like they were summing it up. They were summing it up for you, right? But see, I'm gonna go in depth right quick. See, I'm gonna pull out one particular section of it right quick, and that's what? Section 4. You heard me? See, you gotta go to the 14th Amendment, Section 4. See, what's Section 4? The validity of the public debt of the United States. That's debt. What they owe somebody. I'm going to say that again. The 14th Amendment, Section 4, talks about the validity of the public debt of the United States. Authorized by law, including debts incurred for payment of pensions and bounties for services in suppressing insurrection or rebellion, shall not be questioned. But neither the United States nor any state shall assume or pay any debt or obligation incurred in aid of insurrection or rebellion against the United States, or any claim for the loss or emancipation of any slave, but all such debt, obligation, and claims shall be held illegal and void. Now, if you know legalese better than me, hit me up in the comment and let me know if I'm tripping or not. You heard me? Because right there I could have swore they just said, bitch, we not paying you, get it in blood. I'm just saying. I'm not the brightest nigga in the motherfucking world, right? But I know when somebody just told me, nigga, fuck you, get it in blood. You heard me? I know. I'm telling you. You heard me? It's fuck the slave catcher. Motherfucker slave catcher. You heard me? Get up on this 14th Amendment, Section 4. Break it down. Check it out, you heard me? Fuck 'em.